Building materials are so expensive, I decided to create my own concrete fitting for this septic tank. To buy a 6-inch piece of pipe is like 80 bucks. Even if you wanted one, you couldn't buy a 6-inch to 3-inch adapter. So here's the plan. I'll 3D print a piece that'll fit into the 4-inch and go into the 3-inch. I printed out a thin form on the 3D printer so I can put the concrete between this pipe and this pipe. It'll build up a very strong concrete fitting between the two. We'll clean the surface of the tank. With everything clean, I'll put the pipe in and push it into place. Put in our 3D printed part, place in the 3-inch pipe. We'll cut the pipe right here. There's a nice clean cut. Now we can form the concrete on it. Here's some high strength concrete that we got for $1 because the bag was torn. Mix it up in this spackle bucket. The concrete will add strength and seal everything. Add a little water in at a time. We want a thick consistency. Add the water in slow. This will pack in real nice and tight. We'll start by setting it right on the tank and just keep building it up. The concrete is mounted up real nice and tall. The concrete will stick to the tank and seal. Once it sets, I can start putting dirt back in. Now I can adequately probe the septic tank so I can know exactly when it needs to be pumped.